moving forward, we are making here is okay, it is your bunny only, and we are making it with a different design, and I really love those eyes. So okay, now for his clothes, of course he's wearing clothes, yeah, so you can actually make them with the help of your mandala art, or else you can just fill the colors in them. Totally depends on you. And while I'll say 1 2 3, your bunny will be having colors. So done. Now moving forward, we are making a moon here, and I am already falling in love with the eyes, but okay. So all you have to do is just draw it the way we are drawing it here, and I think there's a mushroom house on top of your sun. Now that's ironical, but okay. If you want, you can do anything. Yeah, that's your imagination, that's your colors. Okay. Now moving forward, we are making a deer here. This is the second time I'm having this thing. And okay, so this time we are just okay. So you can draw stars and hearts or whatever you want around him, and done. So it's like a night scene where your deer is roaming around, and yeah, it's his choice, I think. His mother never tells him don't be late for too long. Okay.